Since last 2 days, there have been rains in Hyderabad. So there have been videos and photos coming in from Usmania General Hospital and Gandhi General Hospital, Government Usmania Hospital. The videos are so dangerous that the rain water has entirely entered the Usmania Hospital, and you can see the patients. The water has entered the patient beds, and a Gandhi Hospital video where a dead body is lying on the bed and the rainwater has entered. And there have been numerous complaints from the Usmania General Hospital that the working staff there, especially doctors and medical and health working staff, life is in danger. The operation theatres, there have been ceiling fans falling, the slab, a part of the slab is falling on the treating doctors and the medical staff. These two hospitals are very important for the 4 crore people of the Telangana during this pandemic situation of COVID-19. And when you can see this, on one side the government of Telangana, especially CM KCR and our Health Minister Itala Rajendra, they are speaking a lot about the work being done to control the COVID in Telangana. But on ground zero, when you visit the two hospitals, Usmania General Hospital and Gandhi Hospital, the entire rainwater has entered. Till yesterday, we have been receiving reports, and I have personally seen that dogs entering the Usmania General Hospital, taking the belongings of the patient and biting the patients. And on behalf of MBT, I have even approached the Human Rights Commission last 1 year back to control this dog entering the Usmania General Hospital. But the government is so careless. You can find out that CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao has taken 6 years back as a CM, but he has visited the Usmania General Hospital only once. He has visited, and there used to be a development committee, Gandhi General Hospital Development Committee and Usmania General Hospital Development Committee is there, which includes the Minister for Health as its chairman. The Superintendent acts as a vice chairman, and Principal Secretary Health is a secretary to that committee, and all elected representatives, the Mayor of Hyderabad, the Member of Parliaments of Hyderabad and Sikandrabad, and the city MLAs. There are 35 MLAs in Hyderabad, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. There are 7 Member of Parliaments which consist of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and there are number of MLCs, Mayor, Deputy Mayor, lot of elected representative becomes a development committee. You will be astonished to know that rupees 10 crores are lying kept in the hospital every year, and that money is not being used and returned to the government because the development committee has not sit and sanctioned the amount to given powers to the superintendent to use that amount. So especially the hospital which was built during the Nizam era, Usmania, 100 years back it was built up. It needs a lot of repair. There was no need of constructing a 500 crores of secretariat new building. Already we are having a very good building in the secretariat. Instead of spending 500 crores there at the secretariat complex, the CM should have spent some 50 crore rupees on Gandhi Hospital and 50 crore rupees on Usmania General Hospital, so that the infrastructure of these both hospitals might have been corrected, and the patient could not have lot of patients who are facing. There are no wheelchairs, there are no stretchers, there is no mask, there is no good conditions. The bodies are being changed, the bodies are being missing. Lot of complaints with regard to these two hospitals, which are the COVID hospital for treating 4 crore people of Telangana. On behalf of MBT, I had today requested Honorable Governor Dr. Tamili Sai to personally visit. Tomorrow morning the governor should visit the hospital immediately and take the stock of situation and send a report to the central. I have tagged in my tweet to Dr. Harshvardhan, Minister for Health for central government, because whenever the central team is coming here to the state government is not taking that central team to the core areas where the COVID cases are